In this video, I'll show you how to quickly export all your Apple Books highlights and notes at once and import them into Notion. As you can see here in Apple Books, I already have some highlights and notes, but exporting them one by one is really time-consuming. Instead, let me show you an easier way. First, open Finder on your Mac. Now press Shift-Command-G. This opens the Go to Folder box. Next, go to the BookNotesToMarkdown website right on the home page and copy the very first file path you see. Paste that file path into the Go to Folder box, then press Enter. You'll now see several files inside the AE Annotation folder. Copy the ones ending with SQLite and SQLite Wall. I usually put them in a separate folder on desktop, so the originals stay untouched. Now repeat the same step with the second file path and open the BK Library folder. Again, copy the SQLite and SQLite Wall files into your working folder. Back on the website, drag and drop the files you prepared into the upload box and click Start Conversion. It's super fast. After a few seconds, your Markdown files are ready. Here you can preview your highlights and notes. For testing, I'll just copy this preview and paste it into a Notion page. And instantly, my book notes are organized, and you can click Download All to get the full set of your book notes. The Notion template I use to build a book notes library is also linked below in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and try it yourself. Thanks for watching, and happy reading!